So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you are in this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's cube without learning it. Seriously, let's check out how to do. Wait a second. Okay, let's check out how to do this. How to solve this Rubik's cube? How should I solve it? Like this? How? I can't do it. Hey, wait. For solving a Rubik's Cube, I know an app that can help you a lot. So wait a second. 3, 2, 1. Here's the mobile. First, you need to install an app named Rubik's Cube Solver. ASOLE. The link will be in the description. Go there and install this app. I will pause the video till it's installing. No need, my Wi-Fi is so speed. 65%. Let's try to let's do some casual solves like this. Is it solved? No, I'm just doing these solves like this randomly. Yeah, how to solve? Just kidding, I know how to solve that for the video. Installing. Yes, it's installed now. You open the app. Now it will show you like this: Pyramix, Pocket Cube, Magic Cube, Master Cube, Professors, Megamix. You can solve these many types of cubes using this app. Just go to which cube you want to solve. I want to solve a 3x3 Magic Cube 3x3. Now you should click allow. Okay, now it will show us like this. You should click on. Got it. Okay, now it will show us to scan. Done. Next, you need to turn this up. Make sure you are scanning the cube very correctly. Next, done like this. And you should click here done button after scanning that. Okay, done. Next, rotate and here. Done. It will show us the moves. You should wait and you should take it to the slower and play that. It will tell us the moves: F, D, okay, B. You should do the moves it's showing. B2. You should do those moves. I will pause till the time. I'll give the speed motion. Okay, I'm doing those moves. F. Okay, you see the cube is solved. Watching this video, this may help a lot of people who don't know to solve the Rubik's Cube. The app link is in the description. Go down and check out the app. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. In the next video, I am going to teach you how to solve a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So bye bye.